Hey Sunshine! Hey! So hey Sunshine, welcome back to another Style and Story! So today is Saturday and I'm here in Mall of Asia. There. So, nag-commute lang ako papunta dito and I'm a bit excited and kind of nervous because, mabilis akong maligaw. And today, mag-isa lang ako dito. And I'm going to take advantage of the freebies in our job, and it's my first time then. Based on the details na sinend, ang gagawin namin ngayon ay we're going to Tom's World to play. Like 10 a.m. ata yung call time and it's just 9:40. So it's too early kasi I know maglalakad pa ako. Kaya I arrive early and then we're gonna have lunch in Tongyang Plus ata and we're gonna watch. Join me today. I'm here in Tom's World. I got the tokens and nag-iikot lang ako dito. Naghahanap ako ng lalaruin. Since walang magbe-video sa akin, it's gonna be me, myself, alone. Wow! Ano, teddy bear? Parang gusto kong itry yun. Saan kaya? May nakita akong maganda.
Sorry ka!
Ang ganda ng outfit niya, fit check.
Elfa Pampeg. Nasa Elfa pa tayo today.
Medyo may mga nakita na ako, kakilala ko. Pero maglalaro muna ako. Gusto kong makakuha ng laruan. Ayun o. Try natin to. I'm playing bowling chump. Round 3 na. Let's go! This is my last 2 coins. And I'm gonna try it here. Let's go. Here. Oh. Wala na akong coins. We have another coins. I'm gonna try it here. Go. Sayang. Yung iba, madami silang nakuhang toys. We're done in Tom's World. We're here in Tongyang Plus. We're gonna have some awarding. Hindi ko lang alam. Sige, para malapit. Eat lunch now. This is my lunch. We're cooking. meat and soup. So,
Except pa din.
eto yung pansit na masarap daw dito sa Tongyang.
Sayang, gusto ko sana eh. Kaso, yun nga.
Try mo na. Unang tikim.
Ano siya eh. Wala pa naman akong dalang ng gamot or allergy. Andun kasi yung asawa niya.
Okay. Masarap naman.
Ang beer mo si Phil. Para ready din ba? Kasi may mga taong may need. Kung pwede nga lang dalhin ko yung ano, yung medical kit. Masarap.
Okay lang. Ano to guys? Miso. Miso.
Dinala ko na lang. Kaya ate kasi talaga. Sali ka ba sa
Anong ano nyo? Project?
We're still eating here in Dongyang. And may awarding pa po. Yan yung mga kasama. That's our director. I get my award. I'm happy. It's my first time. Ano pa ba yan?
Wala pa ako kita.
Tapos na po. Ito na po, nakawala na po.
Dumadaldal pa kami.
Ay, bata.
Workforce po ba? Okay. Meron din po pala ito. Kawawa naman yung strike. Kawawa yung strike kung wala sila yun. Ay, hindi yung... Strike team po ba yung workforce? Strike team din po ba? Yung workforce. Ano pa yun? Kasi wala silang may project.
Ano ba?
Tumitismis din siya.
Parang yung pirma niya, parang ano, ang heartbeat.
Oo.
Tumitibok yung pirma ni Sir.
We're done eating and we're off to the Director's Club to watch movies. Di pa ako nagre-retouch. And may mga kasama na ako, so hindi ako maliligo. Pop-Mart! Labubu. Time check. Ano oras na ba? 4:34 and we're done watching The Wicked Part 1.
Yan po.
By the way, my outfit. I'm gonna find my friends now. So we're done. I think I'm done with my stuff here in Mall of Asia. I was about to meet a friend, but walang signal sa cinema, kaya feeling ko umuwi na sila. So, siguro maglalakad-lakad na lang muna ako dito. And let's see kung saan ako makakarating. Oh my gosh. It was fun, but I'll try to call my friends again. So maybe, hindi ko sila nakakauwi. I hope, para may kasama ako umuwi. By the way, my outfit. It's a wrap today. I'm just walking, going sa terminal. And thank you, Google Map. He saved me for today. It's super hard. Like, nagtatanong-tanong naman ako. Pero this one is really helpful to me. So, I hope that you had fun for this a day here in Mall of Asia. And I'm happy. I enjoyed the day from the playtime, the lunch, and the Rector's Club. By the way, we watched The Wicked Part 1. Kaso bitin. Like, hiningal ako. Kailangang abangan yung Part 2. So now, I'm almost here sa terminal. But I think mali yung napuntahan ko. So, I don't know. I think pwede bang tumawid dito? Tama nga yung hinala ko. Bawal dyan tumawid. So, maghahagdan pa rin ako. And then after that, so I think that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I'm contacting my friend kasi nakauwi na pala siya. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna meet her today or what, but I think this is gonna be the end of this vlog. GoPro is such a great help for me to film this video. So yeah, bye bye sunshine, thank you so much. See you to our next and story.